An independent board member's greatest value is that you as a CEO can engage deeper with him, and you will have a more direct discussion with him on some of the actual challenges that you're faced with, where typically a shareholder board member will more often be driven by discussion on value of the direction of where the company is ultimately going. So quite often an independent will offer a more operational value to a CEO.
The merit of an independent board member is that instead of having the need for a fast return, he can have a long-term vision about the company development. Therefore, the independent board member should not be scared from the opinion of the shareholders.
The independent board members are a little closer to the business. They've been there and they've gone through the cycle of the business, so they have an ability to speak from their experience and to hopefully anticipate a little bit the learning curve of the company that they on the board which they serve, which allows them to somehow help the CEO be one step ahead.
Independent board members, they have a huge influence when they come with insights from the market or for clients or for the technology area we are working in. And the reason why we have chosen them as independent board members is because they have a specific competence. And when they bring that knowledge to the board, then it's very valuable.
The main influence is being independent, real independent, and independently minded, which is the definition of independent. I think it's really not being afraid of saying what you think and of explaining what you're feeling. Most of the time you're feeling.
My advice to independent board director, me being one, is to get really involved with the company and get to know the people who are in the key position in the company and trying to become their friend, advisor, mentor, but also to watch very carefully how the company is running inside, because you get the direct impression rather than being filtered by the presentation at the board.
An independent board member can bring, I think, two values. First, it will bring an external view on the business, on the strategic roadmap. On the other side, also, it can also solve an arbitrage question that would be between different financial investors, also financial investor side with management side.
It has to be able to balance all the other board members, being in the middle and being able to shift majority.
Often when the board and the executive are not aligned, and it needs someone with an independent view and a different experience set to help bring alignment back.